Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great today. Before we begin, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your engagement helps millions of English learners sound more natural, confident, and fluent. Thank you so much. Today's lesson may surprise you because it has nothing to do with grammar, vocabulary lists, or memorizing rules. It's about something much deeper, something that controls how English feels, something that immediately makes you sound more fluent. Even if your grammar isn't perfect. It's called the rhythm of English. And if you understand this rhythm, even just a little, your English will instantly sound more natural and more real. Let's get started. What is the rhythm of English? Every language has a natural rhythm. A music, a timing, a heartbeat. English is not spoken word by word. It's spoken in beats, in groups of words, in chunks. Listen to native speakers. They don't say, "I want to go to the store." They say, "I want to go to the store." One rhythm, one flow, one connected sound. The music of English is what makes it sound alive. If you understand this rhythm, you speak more fluently, without learning new words or new grammar. English is a stress-timed language. This is the key. In English, we don't stress every word. We stress only the important words, nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, and we reduce the rest. We make them shorter, faster, lighter. For example, I want to go to the store. The stressed words carry the meaning. Want, go, store. Everything else becomes small. That's the rhythm. Why this rhythm makes you sound natural. Beginners stress every word. It sounds robotic. It sounds heavy. It sounds unnatural. Native speakers stress only the key words, which creates natural flow. Better emotion, easier listening, faster speaking, more confidence. The rhythm does the work that grammar can't do. You don't need to speak perfect English. You need to speak rhythmic English. The secret: reduce unimportant words. Let's take an example sentence. I'm going to go to the store in a bit. Natural English reduces the small words. I'm going to go to the store in a bit. The beat becomes, I'm going to go to the store in a bit. Notice how I'm, to, they, in, a becomes soft and small. That's the rhythm. Here's another example. What do you want to do today? Natural English. What do you want to do today? stress equals want due to dash day. Everything else shrinks. This rhythm is what you need to master. Exercise 1. The tap the beat technique. Let's train your brain. Say this sentence while tapping your hand. On the stressed words, I want to go to the store. Tap on want, go, store. This exercise teaches your mouth to feel the natural English beat. Do this with any sentence you want to practice. Exercise 2. Speak in chunks. Break your sentences into small groups of words. Instead of, I need to talk to you about something important. Say, I need to talk to you about something important. Each chunk has a rhythm. Each chunk carries meaning. This method instantly improves your flow. Exercise 3. Shadow the rhythm. Listen to native audio and copy the timing. Not just the words, not just the pronunciation, the timing. Shadow movies, vlogs, interviews, this channel, podcasts. Copy the pauses, copy the emphasis, copy the speed, copy the emotion. Shadowing teaches rhythm faster than any grammar lesson. Exercise 4. Reduce the weak forms. Weak forms are small, reduced words like to, for, fur, and n. You, yeah, of, of, them, Using weak forms makes your English sound natural immediately. For example, I'm going to let them know. Natural English. I'm gonna let them know. Practice reducing the small words. It changes everything. After 30 days, here's what happens. If you practice English rhythm daily, for 30 days, you will speak faster without trying, hesitate less, sound more natural, understand native speakers better, express emotion more easily, connect words smoothly, feel more confident, reduce your accent naturally. Rhythm is the hidden secret behind natural English. Once you get the rhythm, fluency becomes easier and more enjoyable. The real truth. Grammar helps you be correct. Rhythm helps you be understood. Grammar makes you accurate. Rhythm makes you natural. Grammar is structure. Rhythm is music. Native speakers care more about your rhythm than your grammar. If your rhythm is good, even simple sentences sound fluent. This is the secret most teachers never explain. If this lesson helped you, please take 1 second to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps millions of learners speak English more naturally and confidently. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing.